This is a fun Venn diagram question. Let's try to solve it together. We'll first solve it the fun way, and then we'll just solve it the exam way. Now the question says there are 32 students in some class, and they were having some exams. Some of them passed math, which is this. Some of them passed English, which is this group, and then the other part passed French, which is this group. They gave us some nice numbers here, and the question is just to find x. What's x? X is the students who passed all three tests. So passed all three is where all the three circles intersect. So this is x here. Now let's try to find x. The first part here is saying the math students is 25. So this circle here is 25. 20 students in English, so this is 20, and 14 in French down here. Now let's look at this very important information. 18 students passed math and English. Math and English is here. So all this is 18, including the x, right? Knowing the 3 and knowing the 18 should help me find this. Because there are 25 students in math, so 3 plus 18 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. Now I don't need this 18. Let's erase it. Now, another very important information given is that 11 students passed math and French. So math and French is here. So this part is 11. Since this is 4, that means x equals 7. Because 7 plus 4 is 11. And that's it. We found it. Now this is the way on which you can't show your work, I think, doing this. So there is a real way on which you can do your work. So let's do it the exam way. Now, we just knew that this is 18, this part here is 18. So if this is 18, that means this part here is 18 minus x, right? Okay, now we don't need this. And again, we just knew this is 11. So if this is x, that means this is 11 minus x. Let's erase this frame here. Now, 25 students are in the math. So this part here is 25, the m, right? So 3 plus 18 minus x plus 18, 11 minus x equals 25. Let's add 3 plus 18 is 21. 21 plus 11 is 32. And then minus x plus x will cancel. And you will have minus x. 32 minus x equal 25. This is how you should do it in the exam, okay? Now 32 minus what makes 25? It's just 7, isn't it? So x equals 7. We got the answer. We got the marks. Now this is the first part of the question. The second part says a student who passed math is chosen at random. So how many students passed the math? It's 25 students passed math, right? So the denominator of this probability is going to be 25. Find the probability this student failed French. So we need people who passed math and failed French. Passed math is all these people passed math. But then failed French is these failed French. They didn't pass French, they failed. So it's 3 plus 18 minus 7. 18 minus 7 is 11. So it's 3 plus 11, which is 14. So these 14 students passed math, but they failed French. So the probability of a student who passed math and failed French is just going to be 14 over 25. Did they ask you to write it in percent? No, just leave it like that. And that's it for this question. 5 nice marks. Was it easy?